Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing with you and sharing with you a video of a frozen lake. Yes, a frozen lake, especially my family and friends, my subscribers in the Philippines. I know this doesn't happen in the Philippines, but yes, it actually happened here in the States during winter time because we have below freezing temp. So I'll be sharing that with you. So today I was hiking with my friends at work, and it was actually a really nice day because the sun is out. So we went to the lake too, and the lake was frozen. So yeah, it's a very nice day. It's a frozen lake, but it's not super thick. Look.
It surprises me that Lake George is
3 feet, yeah, 3 inches, yeah. Look.
oh, under the air bubble. Okay.
Look.
Oh! And a bunch of the food popped out and went into his water bowls. And so then he was like putting his face in the water bowls.
Oh,
You created all those
I know, now there's there's a lot of
a
bubbles.
whole bunch of water, or little bubbles. Oh, it's moving.
Oh, it's moving!